Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your premier destination for high-end home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are exploring the opulent world of Medici Grandeur with 14 DIY ideas for creating regal velvet and gold leaf Easter eggs. These sophisticated designs will transform your spring tablescape into a display of Renaissance luxury and timeless elegance. Before we dive into these artistic creations, please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design excellence. Deep navy velvet provides a dramatic backdrop for intricate gold leaf patterns that mimic Italian wrought iron. This design captures the essence of a moonlit Florentine courtyard through its rich textures and metallic sheen. You can apply the gold leaf using a fine-tipped adhesive pin to achieve these delicate, scrolling details. The contrast between the matte fabric and the shining metal creates a stunning visual depth for your centerpiece. Rich crimson velvet evokes the power and prestige of the Medici papacy when paired with heavy gold leafing. These eggs look best when the gold is applied in broad, sweeping strokes across the middle circumference. The deep red hue adds a warm, passionate energy to your holiday decor, while maintaining a formal aesthetic. Surround these pieces with dark greenery to make the vibrant velvet tones truly pop in your display. Inspired by the lush gardens of Tuscany, these emerald velvet eggs feature organic gold leaf veins that resemble natural marble. This look is achieved by crinkling the gold leaf before application to create a shattered, antique effect. The botanical green shade grounds the luxury of the gold, making it feel both regal and earthy. Arrange them in a weathered stone bowl to emphasize the connection to classic Italian landscapes. Amethyst purple velvet serves as a royal foundation for singular, bold gold leaf medallions placed on either side. These focal points draw the eye and give the egg the appearance of a precious piece of jewelry. The velvet texture softens the light, allowing the gold to glow with a soft, ambient radiance. This concept is perfect for those who prefer a minimalist approach to Renaissance-inspired opulence. For a softer aesthetic, choose a creamy alabaster velvet and scatter small flakes of gold leaf across the surface. This technique creates a whimsical, ethereal look that feels like golden snow falling on a plush landscape. The light color palette makes these eggs versatile enough for both modern and traditional interior settings. It is a subtle way to incorporate the Medici theme without overwhelming a neutral color scheme. Reflecting the terracotta rooftops of Florence, burnt sienna velvet offers a warm and inviting Mediterranean vibe. Line the top and bottom of the egg with precise gold leaf borders to create a structured architectural feel. This geometric approach contrasts beautifully with the soft, tactile nature of the velvet fabric. These eggs pair exceptionally well with warm wood tones and brass candle holders. The jewel-toned intensity of peacock teal velvet is enhanced by a dramatic gold leaf drip effect from the top. This style mimics the look of molten gold cascading down a precious gemstone, creating a sense of movement. The boldness of the teal ensures that these eggs stand out, even in a crowded decorative arrangement. It is a modern take on historical luxury that adds a vibrant splash of color to your home. slate gray velvet provides a sophisticated, moody base that makes antique gold leaf appear even more aged and authentic. By lightly sanding sections of the gold leaf, you can create a distressed patina that suggests centuries of history. This design is ideal for interiors that lean toward a rustic luxe or industrial chic aesthetic. The muted gray tones keep the gold from feeling too gaudy while maintaining a high-end finish. Delicate rose velvet paired with gold leaf applied through a lace stencil creates a romantic and feminine decor piece. This intricate patterning recalls the fine textiles and lace collars worn by the Italian nobility. The soft pink hue brings a breath of fresh spring air to the heavy Medici-inspired gold accents. Place these on individual silver egg cups for a truly sophisticated and charming presentation. Nothing says modern grandeur quite like the sharp contrast of onyx black velvet and thick gold leaf stripes. This bold design commands attention and serves as a powerful statement piece in any Easter display. The vertical stripes can help elongate the appearance of the eggs, giving them a statuesque quality. It is a daring choice that bridges the gap between contemporary fashion and historical opulence. Sage green velvet offers a serene and calming base for gold leaf applications shaped like laurel or olive leaves. This classical motif pays direct homage to the Roman heritage that influenced the Medici era. The muted green is incredibly easy on the eyes and works beautifully with natural linen table runners. These eggs evoke a sense of peace and historical continuity in your holiday styling. For a monochromatic luxury look, use ochre velvet and apply gold leaf in various textured patterns. The subtle difference between the yellow gold fabric and the metallic gold leaf creates a sophisticated layered effect. This tone-on-tone approach relies on the play of light across different materials rather than color contrast. It is an exquisite way to showcase the Medici Grandeur theme in its purest form. Deep plum velvet provides a mysterious and rich background for tiny, hand-placed gold leaf stars. This celestial theme was a popular motif in Renaissance ceilings and adds a touch of magic to your decor. The dark purple hue is incredibly dense and luxurious, making the gold stars appear to twinkle. These eggs are perfect for an elegant evening Easter dinner where candlelight can catch the metallic edges. The final concept features champagne-colored velvet almost entirely encrusted in thick, textured gold leaf for ultimate brilliance. This maximum glamour approach ensures your Easter decor is the talk of the season among your guests. We hope these 14 ideas inspire you to bring a touch of the Medici legacy into your own beautiful home. If you enjoyed this journey into luxury DIY, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more.